What is diabetics? Diabetics is a disease that occurs when your blood glucose, also called blood sugar, is too high. Blood glucose is the main source of energy and come from the food we eat. Insulin, a hormone made by the pancreas, which is located behind the lower part of the body, helps the body use glucose from food get into your cell to be used for energy. Insulin helps to control blood glucose levels. Sometimes body doesn't make enough or any insulin or cannot effect use insulin well. Glucose then stays in blood and doesn't reach body cell. Over the time, having too much glucose in your blood can cause health problems. Although diabetics has no cure, one can take steps to manage diabetics and stay healthy. Sometimes people call diabetics a touch of sugar or borderline diabetics. These terms suggest that someone does not really have diabetes or have a less serious case, but every case of diabetics is serious. Symptoms. Diabetic symptoms are caused by rising blood sugar. General symptoms. The general symptoms of diabetics include increased hunger, increased thirst, weight loss, frequent urination, blurry vision, extreme fatigue, sore that doesn't heal, tiredness, depression. It may also result in mood changes. It may also cause a recurring infection. This is because elevated glucose levels make it harder for the body to heal. The most common type of diabetics are diabetic type 1, type 2 and gestational diabetics. Type 1 diabetics. If you have type 1 diabetic, your body doesn't make insulin. Your immune system attacks and destroys the cells in your pancreas that make insulin. It's unclear what causes this attack. About 10% of people with diabetics have this type. Type 1 diabetics is usually diagnosed in children and young adults, although it can appear at any age group. There are causes of diabetic 1 also. Till now, it is unknown exactly what causes type 1 diabetics. For some reason, the immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys insulin producing beta cells in the pancreas. Genetics may be a role of some people. Type 2 diabetics. If you have type 2 diabetes, your body doesn't make or use insulin well. You can develop type 2 diabetics at any age, even during childhood. However, this type of diabetics occurs most often in middle age and older people. Type 2 is the most common type of diabetics. Causes of type 2 diabetics. Type 2 diabetics is a combination of genetics and lifestyle factor. Being overweight or obese increases your risk too. Carrying extra weight, especially in your belly, makes your cells more resistant to the effects of insulin in your blood sugar. This condition runs in families. Family members share genetics that make them more likely to get type 2 diabetics and to be overweight. Now, the question is, who is more likely to develop type 2 diabetes? You are more likely to develop type 2 diabetes if you are at age 45 or older, have a family history of diabetics or are overweight, physically inactive, race and certain health problems such as high blood pressure also affect your chance to develop type 2 diabetics. You are also more likely to develop type 2 diabetics if you have pre-diabetics or had gestational diabetics when you are pregnant. What is gestational diabetics? Gestational diabetes develops in some women when they are pregnant. Most of the time, this type of diabetics goes away after the baby is born. However, if you have had gestational diabetics, you have a greater chances of developing type 2 diabetics later in life. Sometimes diabetics diagnosis during pregnancy is actually type 2 diabetics. Symptoms of gestational diabetics. Most women with gestational diabetics don't have any symptoms. The condition is often detected during a routine blood sugar test or oral glucose tolerance test that is usually performed between the 24th and 28th week of gestation. In rare cases, a woman with gestational diabetes will also experience increased thirst or urinary. Causes of gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes is the result of hormonal changes during pregnancy. The placenta produces hormones that make a pregnant woman's cells less sensitive to the effects of insulin. This can cause high blood sugar during pregnancy. Women who are overweight when they get pregnant or who gain too much weight during their pregnancy are more likely to get gestational diabetes. Complications of gestational diabetes. Uncontrolled gestational diabetes can lead to problems that affects both the mother and baby. Complications affecting the baby can include premature birth, higher than the normal weight at birth, increased risk for type 2 diabetics later in life, low blood sugar, jaundice. The mother can develop complications such as high blood pressure or type 2 diabetes. She may also require cesarean delivery, commonly referred to as C-section. What health problems can people with diabetes develop? High blood sugar damages organs and tissues throughout your body. The higher your blood sugar is and the longer your life with it, the greater your risk for complications. Over the time, high blood glucose leads to problems such as heart disease, heart attack, stroke, kidney disease, eye problems, dental disease, nerve damages, foot problems. Diabetics can also lead to serious medical complications, but you can manage the condition with medications and lifestyle changes. Treatment of type 1 diabetics. Insulin is the main treatment of type 1 diabetics. It replaces the hormone your body is not able to produce. Treatment of type 2 diabetics. Diet and exercise can help some people manage type 2 diabetics. If lifestyle changes are not enough to lower your blood sugar, you will need to take medication.